Welcome to infyGyan friends. Today we are going to solve one very interesting question from South African Mathematics Olympiad 2021. Find all pairs of integers x, y that satisfies the equation x square minus xy plus y square equal to x plus y, given that xy belongs to integers. So let's get started. I will be using discriminant method over here. I will write all the terms to one side first. X square minus xy minus x plus y square minus y equal to 0. Now we can take x common from these two terms, or minus x common from these two terms. We will get minus y plus 1 times x plus y square minus y equal to 0. Now this is one quadratic equation in x. Given is x belongs to integer. So we'll apply the condition for x belongs to real number. Our discriminant should be non-negative for x to be real or x to be integer. So we'll find discriminant first. B square minus 4ac. This should be greater than or equal to 0. As per our equation, a is coefficient of x square 1. B is coefficient of x, it is minus y minus 1, and C is y square minus y. Let's plug in these values to our formula b square minus 4ac. We will get minus y minus 1 whole square minus 4 times 1 times y square minus y should be greater than or equal to 0. Now we will take minus common, so it would be y plus 1 whole square minus 4 times y square minus y. This should be greater than or equal to 0. Now we will expand y plus 1 whole square. So we can write y square plus 2y plus 1. Then we will write minus 4 times y square, so minus 4y square, and minus 4 times minus y, we will write plus 4y. This should be greater than or equal to 0. Or we can simplify and write minus 3y square plus 6y plus 1 greater than or equal to 0. Now this is one quadratic inequality whose leading coefficient is negative. So I will multiply this whole inequality by negative 1. So our inequality will get reversed. We will write 3y square minus 6y minus 1 should be less than or equal to 0. Now we have to find the boundary condition on y. So I will use quadratic formula here. Let's write y equal to minus b. b is minus 6. So we'll write 6 plus minus the square root of b square is minus 6 square, which is 36, minus 4 times 3 times negative 1 over 2 times a. a is 3. So we will write 2 times 3, which will be equal to 6 plus minus square root 36 plus 12 over 6. Or we can write this will be equal to 6 plus minus square root 48 over 6. 48 is 16 times 3. So we can write 6 plus minus 4 root 3 over 6, which will be equal to 1 plus minus 4 over 6 is 2 over 3 times root 3. Now root 3 is 1.732. We are going to put the value and get 1 plus minus 1.154. which will give us two y values. Y will be equal to 2.154 and y will be negative 0.154. So we have less than or equal to 0 inequality. So y will lie in the interval of both the roots. So I will write here y should be in the interval minus 0.154 and 2.154. Now condition on y is y should be integer. So in this interval we will get 3 y integers. Y equal to 0, y equal to 1, y equal to 2. Now we will consider our first case y equal to 0. Equation is here. We'll find x. So let me write x square minus xy plus y square equal to x plus y. Put y equal to 0. We will get x square is equal to x, or x square minus x equal to 0. X is common, so we will get x minus 1 in the bracket equal to 0. Using product 0 rule, we will get x equal to 0, x equal to 1. Now we have y0, x0 and x1. We will write ordered pairs x comma y. We will write 0 comma 0 and 1 comma 0. This is from y equal to 0. Now we have y equal to 1 and y equal to 2. So I will write here y equal to 1. Equation is here. We will plug in y equal to 1 and get x square minus x plus 1 equal to x plus 1. We will subtract 1 from both the sides. We will get x square minus x equal to x. By writing all the terms to LHS, we will get x square minus 2x equal to 0. X is common, so we will get x minus 2 in the bracket equal to 0. Using product 0 rule, we will get x equal to 0, x equal to 2. Again, we can write two ordered pairs x comma y would be 0 comma 1 and 2 comma 1. Now we have third condition or third y value. It is y equal to 2. Equation is here. We will plug in y equal to 2. We will get x square minus 2x plus 4 in LHS and x plus 2 in RHS. We'll take all the terms to LHS and get x square minus 3x plus 2 equal to 0, which we can factorize easily. X minus 1 times x minus 2 equal to 0. Using product 0 rule, we can write x equal to 1, x equal to 2. For y equal to 2, we have x equal to 1, x equal to 2. So we can write ordered pairs x comma y. In this case, we will write 1 comma 2 and 2 comma 2. So in total, we have 6 pairs. Let me write here x comma y. It is 0 comma 0, 0 comma 1, 1 comma 0, 1 comma 2, 2 comma 1 and 2 comma 2. So we have in total 6 ordered pairs which will satisfy our Diophantine equation using discriminant method. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Goodbye.